Welcome to a brand new episode of Kerala Tour Tips. Today we are planning for Idukki and started from Kochi. Passing through Moolammattam, we found a place called Moolammattam Top. The view from this place is awesome. Greenery, clouds, remote villages, and the specialty of this road is there is a well in between. And this place is called Tumbachimala, which is also a viewpoint on the way to Idukki. So our next destination will be Kulamavu Dam. In between there is another place called Nadugani Pavilion. Nadugani Pavilion is located before 25 kilometers from Idukki and is situated at an altitude of 3000 feet above sea level. This hill station offers a clear view of Moovattupuzha River, Moolammattam Town, Malankara Reservoir and picturesque mountains touching the sky. Nadugani offers all the visitors a great time enjoying the awesome beauty of the greenish surroundings. Kulamavu Dam is a gravity dam on the river Periyar. It is one of the 3 dams associated with Idukki Hydroelectric Power Project. Photography and videography is strictly prohibited in this area. So we can take pictures from a different place called Killivalli Viewpoint, which is on a walkable distance from the dam. The 60 square kilometer artificial lake formed as a result of construction of these 3 dams adds scenic beauty to the rugged rocky terrain and verdant vegetation around it. Idukki Dam. It's an engineering marvel of British era and the view is mesmerizing. The dam was closed on the day when we reached, and we found a hill from where we can take an aerial view of the 2 dams, Cheruthoni and Idukki Arch Dam. The Arch Dam constructed in between Kuravan and Kuratti mountains. Cheruthoni Dam opens towards river Periyar, which flows through Lower Periyar, Bhudathankot and finally Aluva before reaching Arabian Sea at Cochin. The gigantic view of Arch Dam from the volleyball court at Valathope. On rainy season, Idukki will be with full of lush greenery and mesmerizing waterfalls. Venmani viewpoint. On the way back to Thodupuzha via Vannapuram. Thumbithullum-Para and Kattadikadavu are two places can be reached by trekking from Venmani viewpoint. Our next destination will be Thomankuttu waterfalls, which is a forest area, but we will find another place in between called Anachadikuttu. On the downside of the hill road, we will find our final destination. Anachadikuttu. With heart full of pleasant memories, we are going back to Kochi.